Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your May energy general read. Let's see what energies are around you in May and how we can use these energies to have a beautiful month moving ahead. And these are general collective readings. Virgo will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now for the month of May. Thank you. So Virgo, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again today. Thank you for supporting the channel. And yes, if you're new here, Virgo, we welcome you too. To join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. And Virgo, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Oh, having some regrets and sorrow for the past, it seems. Some things didn't work out. 3 cups fallen to the ground, milk spilt, and somebody is standing here looking back at the past, having regrets. But Virgo, this is your current energy. But the whole point here, Virgo, if you see this card very carefully, there are 2 cups full here right behind this person. So looking back to see what didn't work out, there is a big possibility of something which is available to you. The 2 cups which are full. All you have to do is turn around and it's still available. It's still there for you. Right? But you may be putting too much concentration on things which haven't worked out. So let's see what's going on here. Before I open these cards, Virgo, I'm going to take a Ganesha Oracle card, which I always do beginning of every month for you. Let's see how Lord Ganesha is going to bless this month of yours with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. And the card, see, I told you, the card you get here, Virgo, is beginnings. So stop thinking about what has ended or is ending. Turn around. There is a new beginning waiting for you. Isn't that just what we said? All right, so let's put this card here. Let's start your reading. Let's see what your current energies are like. The world, see, endings and new beginnings. That's on your mind. So why is the world card here, Spirit? Why is the world card here? Yes, you are waiting for some justice to be brought to your life, maybe turning your back on something, wanting to walk away from something, maybe seeing what else is out there, waiting patiently for your ships to come in, and maybe waiting for justice now after walking away from something, seeing, what's next. But if you are doing that, Virgo, no point, still looking back in sorrow and regret. Concentrate on what's coming now. What brought you to this place? Yeah, something was toxic in your past. The devil energy is here. Something was toxic. Maybe there was fear attached to it. Maybe some indulgences. Maybe not being able to decide between 2 things. Indecisions. A devil can mean a lot of things. Virgo, it will be different for all of you out there. You could have been juggling between 2 ideas, 2 people, 2 things. Maybe there was fear surrounding that, there was anger surrounding that, and you wanted your wish fulfillment, but you were always kind of not being able to make up your mind. Now I do see here you wanting to close out some chapter and walk away from something which doesn't serve you, but you're still kind of waiting for justice to be brought into this circumstance, whatever this is. Coming up for you is the 5 of Swords. Why is the 5 of Swords here, Spirit? Yes, I think if people have played mind games with you, or if people have hurt you in the past, I think all that, there's a big transformation coming into your life here, Virgo, because you're going to be victorious, because now you are no longer going to be, the sacrificial lamb. You've picked up your sword. Now you're going to be asking the hard questions. You're going to be wanting to bring your life back into balance. And if people have been stealing, cheating, lying to you, it's going to be you now who's going to be the victor. Huge transformation. Out with the old, in with the new. Brand new life. What else, Spirit, for May? Incoming energies. Yes, see, a creative, passionate new beginning is starting for you. This is like starting from ground zero once again, but it's exciting, it's passionate, so it's loving. Maybe you're going to be receiving some news or a message or a text or an email or something about this new beginning of yours, which is going to transform your life totally. What else, Spirit, for May? For May? Should I even explain this card, Virgo, for you? 10 of Cups in May. This is absolute happiness and wish fulfillment. 10 of Cups. Ultimate emotional happiness coming your way in May. Huge transformation after maybe you've kind of picked yourself up and, said enough of the BS and I'm going to now stand up for myself. So what should you hold on to? Hold on to this feeling that, Virgo, you can tame a lion if you have to. Hold on to that strength. Hold on to your power. You are a very, very empowered person. You have to believe that in yourself, Spirit is saying. Hold on to this feeling that you can achieve anything, that any path that you want to follow, it's in your grasp. And look at this person, holding a lion's mouth here. Yes. You will hold on to this feeling that your stability is coming to you and it's going to be your choice. As to whatever you choose, whatever path you want to choose, you'll have the power to bring that stable ground in your life. Okay, so what should Virgo let go of, Spirit, now? The High Priestess. Why should Virgo let go of this feeling, Spirit? Holding back, not talking, holding back, not revealing emotions, not telling the truth, keeping secrets. Spirit is saying it's time to let go of that, because all that's going to do is give you sleepless nights, stress, tension, and unhappiness. You have to let go of keeping things hidden inside your heart. Whatever's in your heart, you have to embody this Queen of Swords energy. Cut out anything that doesn't serve you and speak your truth and ask for answers for what you want. This keeping quiet, keeping your emotions hidden, is only going to make you suffer, nobody else. So what can become Virgo's biggest blockade, Spirit? The Empress. Feeling that you have, feeling that it's you who has to always be the provider, who always has to, make the first move, who always has to be the giving, loving, nurturing, kind person who other people can benefit from. If you continue to stay in that zone, you will continue to keep working, yes, working towards your own stability, yes, for long-term happiness, for your but you can't be the only one here. That's what I'm feeling. Yes, all this is possible for you. The Empress, the commitment, the long-term happiness and stability, all that is possible for you, Virgo. But you can't be the only one here. This is one person working towards this. You can't take on all that burden. You have to allow people to meet you halfway. And if they can't meet you halfway, then I think they should be let free to go. This will become a burden sooner or later. It will tire you out. This is one Empress trying to do everything. Let's see how people view my Virgo gang now. King of Cups. Why do people see Virgo as the King of Cups? Hiding your emotions. Yes, always keeping secrets. That's how people think, that you always in your emotions. Maybe you are very emotionally strung maybe in May, or you are quiet, or you're not keeping secrets. You're never revealing your true emotions. Maybe you are kind of at a standstill right now, not making any major moves or decisions in your life. That's how people are viewing you. Anything else, Spirit? Yes. And see, here's the burden. I've been talking about this here, right? Carrying all that burden. Back is tired. Head is bent. But continuing, slogging, because you want to be the one who is the provider all the time, always bringing structure to your environment, always bringing in the pentacle and stability in your surroundings. Now, Empress is not a masculine feminine card, Virgo. Empress is a card of abundance and fertility and growth. And that's what you are trying to do, but you're doing it single-handedly. And people are seeing that you are quiet, you're not revealing how you feel, but you do look exhausted, you do look tired, and you continue to put in that hard work, and very emotional at this time. So these are the energies around you, Virgo. You have free will. You can choose to flip this and enjoy this instead, right? Enjoy this transformation which is coming into your life. Enjoy this 10 of Cups. Here there are two people here who are happy together. You can choose this, or you can choose to be in this. What is Spirit's secret message for you? Let's see, Virgo. 10 of Cups. See, this is what Spirit is also saying. This is what we are bringing for you, Virgo, in the month of May. This was in the May position, these cards. So Spirit is saying we are gifting you this 10 of Cups, giving you emotional happiness. Do you want to go towards that or not? Or are you going to just be, like I said, a sacrificial lamb here? Okay, so 10 of Cups, Spirit, why is that your secret message for Virgo? Yes, Spirit is saying you need healing, you need time out, you need to spend some time with yourself, for yourself, and get over any kind of conflict that is keeping you stuck or is in your life. You need some time out to spend time with yourself instead of keeping yourself blocked. 1 second, let me take one more. Yes, it's time now to finish this chapter of always being stressed out, staying in the self-imposed prison, always being the last person standing. You always the last man standing there, battered, bruised from all that wars that you've been through, but saying, hey, I still have a wand in my hand and I'm going to fight one more time. Spirit is saying enough. It's time to shut that chapter down. What we need you to do is now get out of all this conflict. We need you now to take some time out to heal yourself and move now towards emotional happiness for yourself. We're sending it to you, but the choice is still yours. Yeah, see, even Lord Ganesha says beginnings, new beginnings. So stop looking back in all this regret, sorrow, and keeping yourself stuck. That's all I have for you, Virgo. Hope it helps, and see you next time now. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.